Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, Isang 18. Fun girl nagkaroon ng experience at naka-avail at nakapunta sa exhibit ng Simula at Wakas Experience. Sobrang enjoy ni girl habang nanood at nakikinig ng mga kanta at video ng ating SB19 boys. Sulit na sulit daw ang bayad. Kaya naman 18 boy, 18 girl, tara na at manood na at makinig sa Simula at Wakas Experience at makaranas ng once in a lifetime opportunity na makapunta sa mundo ng SB19 Simula at Wakas. Talaga namang tatak SB19 ang exhibit na to at art gallery para lamang sa 18 at mga fan girls at fan boys.
Go! Hindi ko binayaran eh. Sige pa. Ate, bayaran mo muna kasi.
Samantala, isang ate pa, isang fan girl, isang 18 ang naka-avail ng isang wallet or mga card ng ating SB19. Andyan mga postcard, mga picture ng ating boys, Justin, Joss, Ken, Philip, at syempre si Stel. Talaga namang once in a lifetime experience ang Simula at Wakas ng SB19. Tatak SB19.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.